Hello, welcome to my first unboxing video. I ordered this product because I've been eyeing this for so long. I've seen a lot of people using this, and they have that in different colors, and they use that quite a lot, and then people are really raving about this one. Just to give you a hint, so I've seen a lot of videos. People are lining up to get one of those product item, and then they usually go to Target to just get everything from there, which a lot of people are pissed off because these resellers are selling that for double the price, which is so unfair. So anyway, I got this from that website the official website, because I was scammed on Instagram before. I paid $55 for nothing. So be careful when buying from there. There's a lot of people who's actually taking advantage of people who wants to get that thing. Does that make sense? Which is I'm so annoyed every time I think about it. I'm annoyed myself because I'm so stupid, because I really want to get that ASAP, and I paid instantly. That's it. And my £47, $57, because there's a service fee just gone. So I hope you, Deborah Batch, that's her name from PayPal account, I hope you get your karma soon, because that's hard-earned money. Yeah. So without further ado, this is the product I'm talking about. This one is, ta-da! This tiny cup. Yeah. So this one is a bit of for a bit expensive cup. This is the package. I'm expecting it to be there's a paper bag or something, but anyway, the port is the inside. So take this one out. Yep. Yeah. So this one is Stanley Flow State Quencher H2.0 tumbler in 48 ounce, 1.18 liter. In rose quartz color. There's two colors that I want from this tumbler from Stanley. I want that like a Barbie pink with gold font in here, and this one, but it's hard for me to get that, so this is my second option, which is I think I'm really happy with it. It's like a muted pink, and then it's really nice. It's quite heavy as well. You could tell the quality is really good, and then it's quite big, so no wonder it's a lot of videos. Their husbands, boyfriends are making fun of their wives, girlfriends, even the dads actually making fun of their daughters who actually have this because it's big. It's quite big. But this one will make me hydrated, because personally I'm not drinking water that much. So with this one, I really hope it could help me drink water more, because look how massive it is. I want to bring this one everywhere I go, but since it's big, so it's I'm planning to get a tote bag or something. But a lot of people are saying this one is not really good with water inside, because it's spilling a lot. So that really sucks, isn't it? But I think there's a thing here that you could put an anti-spill lid to it, so I might just buy that one and see if that's gonna make a difference, because I really want to bring this wherever I go. So that's my Stanley cup. So I have quite a few cups to share with you guys. because I'm not really collecting cups, but whenever I see something that's really nice and really pretty, I tend to buy it. Anyway, so this one is like I bought it from Dubai. This one is from Starbucks. So yeah, this one's really nice as well. It's like a venti size. I like sparkly, you know, it's just really nice. It's like a bronze color to it. And then there's one here, like a gold thing. I bought this online. Yeah, so this one is really nice as well because I really want a gold, like a metallic one that you could see yourself because it almost looks like a mirror. And then another one here is like a pink one. I bought this from the Philippines, and this one is on like a Barbie pink, and look how pretty it is, like a really girly cup. So yeah, this one is all my cup, guys. So thank you for watching.